Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, What Nonsense, we will learn about post-positive adjectives. So, open up page number 14 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what are post-positive adjectives. Most adjectives come before or after a noun. Post-positive adjectives come immediately after a noun. An adjective is post-positive when it comes after the noun it modifies. We use post-positive adjectives with nouns in a sentence. For example, in this sentence, you can see that we should be thankful to Allah Almighty. Almighty is modifying the noun Allah and it is directly coming after the noun. Let's look at the second example. He is a man greedy for fame. Greedy here is an adjective and it is directly coming after the noun. We use post-positive adjectives with indefinite pronouns ending in body, one, thing, and where. Now, indefinite pronouns do not specify the person, thing, or place. For example, there is nothing special. Nothing here is an indefinite pronoun, and special is the adjective, which is actually a post positive adjective because it is coming directly after the indefinite pronoun. Now let's look at the next example. Is everyone confident about the poetry quiz? Here, everyone is an indefinite pronoun because we are not specifying a particular person. We are just generally talking about everyone. And confident here is an adjective, post positive adjective. Now let's see the third sentence. Was everybody happy at the party? Again, everybody is describing generally everybody there at the party. We are not specifying anyone there. Let's go somewhere warm for a holiday. Somewhere, we do not know where, we are just generally talking about the place which should be warm, right? So somewhere is a indefinite pronoun and warm here is post positive adjective. Now that you know about post positive adjectives, write some sentences using them on a loose sheet. Try to write at least 10 sentences.